Buy fresh vegetables. Buy potatoes, take tomatoes, and jackfruit. Take this, take that, take whatever you want. Huh? It's strange. My throat dried up from shouting. But not a single person came out. Hey, Noonie! Listen to me. Have all the people gone out of the village?
Nobody has gone anywhere.
Huh?
I think everyone has become bored listening to your voice again and again. Yes, do something interesting so that people come to see you and buy vegetables from you.
Why would people come to see me? Am I a hero, huh? Well, I've seen this in a lot of movies. Now let me give it a try. Buy potatoes, buy brinjal, take tomatoes, carrots, and pumpkins. Take them, take them, take them. Buy vegetables from me and see my stunts for free. What just happened?
What? What happened? Huh? What is going on here?
Uncle, why don't you do something like this?
Huh? Buy fresh vegetables. Buy potatoes, take tomatoes, and jackfruit. Take this, take that, take whatever you like.
Huh? What is this way of selling vegetables?
The thing is, my vegetables weren't selling. These people said I needed to bring some style. So I did this and I fell.
You know, my children only spoke for your good. But still, let me tell you one thing. If you keep listening and following the opinions of other people blindly, you will keep falling like this, like what happened with Rajeshwar and Lakshman.
Rajeshwar and Lakshman? What happened to them, Amma?
I will tell you about it some other time.
Amma, no one is buying my vegetables. At least I can gain some knowledge from your story. Otherwise, I'll keep falling like this.
This is the story of a father and son, Rajeshwar and Lakshman, who had never seen a city in their lives. After many days, finally, the day came when their wish to visit a city was about to come true.
Get up, Lakshman. All the chickens, peacocks, elephants and horses have already woken up and you are still sleeping like a lazy bone. Wake up quickly.
Where are you going so early in the morning, Baba?
Not just me, both of us. There's a big fair in the city. If you want to go see it, get ready quickly.
What? The city? Yay! We're finally going to the city!
All right, stop it. You keep dancing like this, we'll be late for the fair.
So sorry, Baba. I'll go get ready right now.
Our Pawan is my pride and joy.
Yes, he's my pride too.
Let's go.
Oh, what kind of people are they? Even though they have a horse, they're walking on foot.
Oh.
Oh, what have you done?
Baba!
Someone catch my horse!
Baba!
Son!
Wow! Horse riding is so much fun.
Yes, she said.
Pull the reins, pull them tight. Yeah. Got him. Now he won't run anywhere.
It's good that he stopped, Baba. Otherwise, I would have seen the city before you. Ah.
Look at the times we are in. The father is walking on foot and the son is riding the horse.
What to say now? These kids nowadays.
You are right.
What does it matter what people say? You shouldn't have come down from the horse.
It's all right, Baba.
Get down, come on, get down. The little child is walking on foot, and you yourself are sitting on the horse like a king. Aren't you ashamed?
No, Uncle, you're getting it wrong.
Quite, absolutely quite. Don't say anything further. And you, if you try to sit on the horse again and make the child walk, I will teach you a lesson.
Oh, it feels like my back is broken. What strange people?
Rajeshwar and Lakshman couldn't understand anything. So the son asked the father to sit on the horse. And the father asked the son.
You sit, my son.
No, Baba, you sit.
I'm telling you, you sit.
No, you sit.
No, you.
No, you.
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 You. Okay, wait. We both will sit.
Yes, this is a good solution. Huh?
Oh, what trouble is this?
He is not the trouble, but it's you people. This poor horse can't even speak. At least understand his feelings. Look at him. He's so tired of carrying the burden of the both of you. Huh? Heartless people.
Forgive me, my friend. You have opened my eyes. We have done so wrong with our poor horse. He has borne our burden for so long. Now we will carry his burden.
Oh, wow. It seems like the horse is too dear to them.
Yes, I have seen a man on horseback many times. But this is the first time I have seen a horse on man's shoulders.
What has happened to him now?
Why is he behaving like this?
Baba, you didn't get hurt, did you?
Run, my son! My Pawan. Where has my Pawan gone?
Your Pawan ran off in that direction.
How will we go to the city now?
Just like Pawan went, let's walk.
What?
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.